Singer Lily Allen puts a smile on faces in a daring see-through outfit during a night out. The 36-year-old went braless in the white maxi dress for an awards show in New York. 3. Lily Allen puts a smile on faces in a daring see-through outfit during a night out. Credit, splash. 3. Lily went braless in the white maxi dress for an awards show in New York. Credit, Getty. Brit Lily, wed to Stranger Things star David Harbour, 46, recently won a stage award for her West End acting debut. Lily starred in 222 A Ghost Story at the Noel Coward Theatre in London, alongside EastEnders actor Jake Wood. Making her West End debut, she played the supernatural thriller's central character Jenny, who reckons her new home is haunted and is determined to make her husband and friends believe her. Critics have hailed her performances as spellbinding, strong and slick. In October, The Sun reported that Lily's acting had impressed BBC bosses who were looking to cast her in a new drama. The move would see her follow in the footsteps of dad Keith Allen, who starred as serial killer John Cooper in the Pembrokeshire murders, and little brother Alfie Allen, who shot to fame as Theon Greyjoy in Game of Thrones. A TV insider said, Lily has made quite a big impression with one or two key decision-makers at the corporation who were pleasantly surprised by how good she was on stage. Now they are on the lookout for a role which she might be perfect for, though the final decision rests with casting directors on productions. But if her turns on the West End stage are anything to go by, she stands a good chance of getting a great role. Lily previously had her own BBC Three chat show, Lily Allen and Friends, which ran for just one series. 3. Lily recently won a stage award for her West End acting debut. Credit, the mega agency.